Kristen, go uphill, not downhill, honey, because you're going to gain too much speed. Can you turn it around? Okay, go ahead. It's fine, honey. I'm just trying to get Kristen on her bike. She's going too far. I can't see her.
Very nice. I think. Draw.
I just started. Why is he here?
Because he's coming over, honey.
Because I invited him.
What's his name?
Shh, be nice, Tom.
Who's asking his name?
Okay, then go and say hi like you're supposed to. Don't shout to him.
Is he coming out?
Nice job, Kristen. You going uphill? You got to pedal faster. Okay, just do a little bit that way so I can see you better. You're doing great, honey. Oh, the sun's coming out now. I might not be able to get it. It's getting too sunny. Okay.